I've always loved nature. I fell in love with the trees, the birds singing, everything. I see God in everything today. Na safe lahat ng tao nakarating. Everyone I love is here.
Parang kailan lang nakita kita sa kasal nila Aldrin at Cher bilang mga guest. Ngayon, sila naman ang guest. At tayo na ang ikakasal. Naisip ko rin na normal na araw lang yun. Hindi ko akalain na nakita ko na pala ang magiging asawa ko. Grabe, mapaglaro talaga ang tadhana.
I just can't do it without you.
Dalawang kape na ako eh. Okay lang. Ayan. First time. Ay, pag second time to, iba na yan. First time talaga to.
Naalala ko pa ang una nating dinner date sa San Juan. Ngumiti ka sabay finish bump mo ako with matching handshakes. Natawa na lang ako. Doon ko nalaman na corny ka rin pala mag-joke. Doon ko nalaman na malalim ka rin mag-isip. Doon ko nalaman na gusto pa kitang makita at makausap. At habang tumatagal, ang akala kong masungit ay isa palang taong matindi kapag nagmahal.
It feels so surreal. Thank you, Lord. Lord, thank you, Lord.
Exodus 14:14. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Ito yung promise na pinanghahawakan ko.
If I could tell you all the things you are to me, I'd try to fit them all inside this song.
That's why when I pray, I say, Lord, it's you and me. Always you and me. If ever I meet someone, I say, Lord, it's me, you, and him. Kaya alam mo, hindi pa kita kilala. I've been praying for you for the longest time. I prayed to keep you safe and healthy. I wondered, ano kaya ginagawa nung true love ko? I prayed na sana one day, pag ready na tayo, like my favorite verse, the Lord will let us meet and fight for our love.
Take this heart to be yours, only yours, and every part of you will be mine, only mine.
Nakita ko ang pagmamahal mo sa iyong pamilya, lalo na sa iyong tatay. Nakita ko ang pagmamahal mo sa Diyos. Nakita ko rin ang pagmamahal mo sa pusa na nasa harapan ng inyong bahay. Pati aso namin minahal mo. At iyon ang dahilan kung bakit maraming taong nagmamahal sa iyo. At iyon din ang dahilan kung bakit ako ay tuluyan ng nahulog at napamahal sa iyo.
It is nothing short of a miracle that we are standing here today. Ilang beses natin pinag-pray itong moment na to. Yung weather, yung birds, all the people that we loved are here.
intertwine.
Masasabi ko na yung phrase na, "Darling, I'm coming home." Not to the place, but to you. You are my home. My safe space. My happy place.